Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making masala sausage. This is very easy and tasty recipe. You must try it out and give your family a taste. Let's start. First you will need 3 packets of sausage. Now you have to cut them into the following shape. Just follow. Now here our sausages are ready. All done. Let's move on to the next step. Now take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. In the oil, add the sausages. We are going to fry those sausages. You're just going to add the whole thing in the pan. Now saute well. Turn them into golden brown. And you can see they are already changing their color. Now next, again take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half tablespoon of cumin seeds. 2 medium-sized onions and mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Masala red chili 1 tablespoon, turmeric half tablespoon, garam masala half, salt to taste. Now saute well. Now add 2 tablespoons of water to make it gravy type. Now cover for 5 minutes. Now you can see how it turned out. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And add the sausages. And mix well. After that, here are some garnishing. Now our yummy recipe is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.